climb the hill where history calls to ancient towers and cathedral walls. Saint-Quiriace standing proud and high, its copper dome beneath the sky. Beside it stands old César's Tower, watching centuries hour by hour. A timeless view stretched far and wide, with medieval France on every side. We're walking through the heart of time, where every stone has a tale to rhyme. Provins whispers soft and slow through cobbled streets where legends flow. From towers high to ramparts strong, every step becomes a song. In this town where history lives, Provins gives more than it gives. Down quiet lanes where silence stays, half-timbered homes from bygone days, restored ramparts standing tall, guarding stories through it all. Ancient monuments line the way, untouched by time, yet here today. Every corner, every square feels like the Middle Ages linger there. Then onward to the mighty walls, where every weathered stone recalls the footsteps of those long before, who watched these gates in times of war. We walk the walls beneath the sky, with sweeping views from up on high, between St. John's twin almond towers and Jowie's gate through ancient chats. As golden sunlight filled the square, evening settled in the air. Restaurants came alive with light, welcoming the coming night. We wandered slowly side by side, with history as our faithful guide. Provins, your beauty will remain, a medieval dream will walk again. When daylight fades and shadows fall, your ancient walls still stand so tall. A journey back through centuries gone, yet somehow living, carrying on. Provins, your story's never through, and part of it now belongs to us too.